Okay guys, so today we are doing something super cool. I'm so excited about it. We are doing my custom closet for my room, and this video has been a little bit delayed, but I'm excited that we're finally getting to do it. All my stuff is coming from simplifiedbuilding.com, and I'm really excited about it. I have a coupon code for you guys that I'm gonna link below. Dash is gonna be helping the entire process by bossing us around and telling us what to do, aren't you, puss? Give me some feedback with your mustache. Anything? Nothing. All right. Anyways. All right, so I'm excited to do this video. We have been working on this closet room for quite some time now, and now we're finally going to, oh, that's better. We're finally gonna be able to finish it. So on this side, we're actually going to have, let me scoot back so you guys can see. On this wall, we're gonna have racks on the top and the bottom, and in the very middle we're gonna have like where the dresses can be hung in the very middle, and have like a little shoe shelf all along the top and all along the bottom, and then all along this wall is gonna be shoe shelving, or like to put my bags on. Stash, you're so funny. So I have my two new pieces of furniture over here, and they really need to be cleaned because I've done my makeup on them and stuff, but this is just some of the stuff that we're going to be using to put it together. So I cannot be more excited to be shooting this video today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you have any questions, you can always go to simplifiedbuilding.com and see if they have in the Q&As any of the stuff that you guys are wondering about. But if you have any questions, you can inbox it below, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Here comes the hair hunt. What are you eating? I hear you snacking on something. Peppuccini. Kettle chips. I don't eat these chips, and we are not endorsed by this company. He literally eats these all the time.
Well, give me a call, Kettle.
All right, so we're in the first stage of the process of putting this together. Christopher's gonna pole dance. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so this is what we're working with. I'm gonna get some custom drapes maybe to put there. So we're kind of just starting out. Sorry, Christopher's got a golf tournament on in the background. Oh wow, that was convenient. It just cut off by itself. That was creepy. It was like, okay, that's weird. So here's all the parts that we're gonna be using. And we're basically going to, the plan is to put it together on the floor, and then lift the whole thing up, and then meow, meow, meow. You like that? That would be the electric drill. Meow, meow, meow. Yeah, over there. So that's what we're currently doing, and I know the floors look atrociously dirty, but it's just because they're very old, because we're in a historic building in downtown. So, all right, so it's coming along. We've got 4 racks. Christopher's now putting them in with, what's it called, an Allen wrench? Allen wrench. He's measuring to make sure he's precise. And here is what it's kind of gonna look like. I'm listening, there we go. I was listening to the Real Housewives. All right, so this is kind of gonna be what it looks like. We don't have this piece of wood yet, but we're gonna go get that at another time. I'm so excited. Hurrah! Okay, this is awesome. Christopher's the man. All right, so I'm a little out of breath. We both just had to pick it up off the floor. Thank God I didn't film that part, because it would have been a hot wreck. Okay, so now we have to secure it to the wall. Tell them what else we're gonna be doing here. Wasn't it pretty easy?
It's very easy, yeah. Very, very easy. Shockingly easy. So I'm like, okay, where did I mess up?
You didn't mess up.
I did really good.
Okay, so now all we have to do is secure it to the floors.
Yep.
And to the walls. Here. So it's gonna take 4 screws. It's really cool. Looks awesome. At a later time, we're gonna actually paint these in gold. And this furniture will actually also, and this, be painted in this color, brass gold. Good job, honey. You the man. All right, we'll update you momentarily, guys. Okay, so this is currently where we're having to stop for the day. We'll pick back up tomorrow. Christopher, would you like to give us a little update?
Yeah, just need to get some different drywall screws, and then
we're good to go? All right, so we need drywall screws for these guys.
And then the other 2 have studs behind them, so should hold anything you need it to. Can't imagine it wouldn't.
Yay! Sorry guys, it's a wreck in here since we're putting this together. So, and one of my gold mirrors from the salon is gonna come up here. So I'm excited. Until tomorrow, guys. Thanks for watching.